This is a storyboard of a 1960 Cadillac Deville. My Arabic isn't perfect, but I think it took 50 days to restore this Cadillac, and as you can see, it was really not in a perfect condition. So they had to make a lot of changes. And well, I'm at a custom car show, so you can imagine what kind of changes they've done to this car. And look at it; it's not horrible, but let's have a closer look at it. So now it's called the Royal Rose, and as you can tell, the silver accents are mostly covered with I think a gold paper or something. So it's almost like a rose gold color, and the rest of the body is pink. And you have some graphics there on the engine bay underneath the hood as well. Then you have some reflective parts there. So overall, it's not horrible. It's actually nice. You have some wording there on the dash. I think that says old is gold. Anyway, at the back you have lots of sound speakers, of course. Two seats. You have this floating center console with an LCD screen. I don't like that steering wheel. It doesn't really go with the car. But okay, yes, that does say old is gold. And you have a reflective part here in the roof as well. And yeah, even the accents of the car are rose gold. Some parts like the door mirror, they're not, they're still silver. So let's come to the back. It's a very long car. I love it. And look at how what the hell? They cut a Cadillac logo into the body. That's very strange. So let's have a look at the rear bumper. It's all gold color. And you have a lot of details on the hood, basically the trunk. I like it. I like the white and pink design. Overall, it's actually not very bad. It's elegant, actually. So let's have a look here. You have, of course, two very long cylinders. One says old as, the other says gold. And one more strange thing is that you have this Cadillac logo here. I think that's acrylic plastic. And you have one on this side as well, which is a very strange place to put a logo. And if you come here, you can see Cadillac Deville 1960 at the back. You have the details going on the roof, on the hood as well. So yeah, overall, this is a very nice car. There are a lot of other cars here at this show, so I have a lot of other videos as well. So just check out my channel. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Not all my videos are in English, so you can just read the title carefully, see the word English, and know that that's the video you need to watch. And just have a look at my channel. There are all types of cars. I'm sure you're going to enjoy watching them. Let me know what you think about this car in the comments.